Hey guys, this is our final advent calendar for this series, which is bittersweet. I've had a lot of fun doing these. I hope you've had a lot of fun watching them. I also do have a series up on my Patreon, where I unboxed even more advent calendars, obviously different ones to this series. So if you want to go check that out, you can. Today we have the Palm Beach advent calendar candle collection. So we have 12 little candles in here, but I've had a look in here and they've kind of ruined the whole point of Advent. Like, I feel like the point of like an Advent calendar is to be surprised kind of thing, but they've just straight out got out and wrote like what you get on every single day. So I'm gonna try not to like read into it too much. Anyway, we have 12 little candles here. So let's start with day one. So day one is called Winter Berries. These are actually very sweet. A little packaging of them. Cute. So yeah, it does have a little one and it tells you on the bottom what it is. That smells real good actually. There's no scent descriptions on these. I think there's scent descriptions on the back actually. Yeah, there is. So, winter berries, reminiscent of a stroll through a sweet-scented forest, mulled wine in hand. This invigorating fragrance of aromatic winter berries combines fruity and woody notes. The scent features top notes of cassis and hints of grapefruit, fused with heart of white florals and a base of patchouli, a true fusion of wild winter berries. And it does smell really, really nice. So that is day one. Okay. Day two is fir and cedarwood. That look like that. And I think all of them are going to look pretty similar. But yeah, obviously this one has a little 2 on it. Gives me a very like Christmas tree, like that's what it smells like Christmas tree. I don't know if it's for me or not. It's a little bit strong, but it's like, it's still nice, you know what I mean? So slip straight into the spirit of the holidays with this ultimate must-try Christmas candle. Warming base notes of cedarwood, sandalwood, and tonka, and top notes of eucalyptus, pine, which you can really smell, and grapefruit are fused with a heart of rose and fir to evoke a forest of fragrance. Fir and cedarwood is fresh, clean, earthy, and intriguing. Okay, day three. They have all got little oil stands on them. Like, it looks like all of like the little oils have leaked through it, but anyway. Day number 3 is Sunset Bellini. I feel like this one will be nice. I really need to clear my throat, but I can't. Oh, that's so good. That just takes me straight to like summer on the beach. Like, oh, real nice. Not summer on the beach actually. It's like going out for tea in summertime, like overlooking like water. Very specific, but yeah, love that. So this one says, Sunset Bellini, impeccably chic. Anytime is a great time for a Sunset Bellini. Beautifully balanced, yet ferociously fun. The swoon-inducing scent features citrusy top notes of lime, pineapple and grapefruit, a sweetened heart of passion fruit, guava, strawberry and melon, and a tropical base of vanilla and coconut. Expect this scent to shine bright, especially as the sun goes down. Day 4 is called Christmas Tree, which I don't know why I feel like I'm not going to like this, because usually the Christmas tree scents with that pine, it's normally quite strong. I can smell it already. Oh. Okay, it's actually pretty nice. There is pine in there, but it's very subtle. There's definitely like other things in here that you can smell as well. I feel like this one would be really nice like in the bathroom, in the kitchen or the toilet or something like that. So that is day 4 there. It's time to decorate the Christmas tree and conjure the merriness of the season. With a warm base scent of vanilla, clove and cinnamon, a fragrant heart of jasmine, fir and lavender, and harmonious top notes of bergamot, orange and fig, it's never been easier to savour the rich and invigorating scent of the holidays. I really thought it would have had pine in it. Okay, day 5 is called Passion Fruit Pavlova. This one sounds like it's going to smell real good, so... Oh, yeah, that's good. Oh, it's so, so good. I love passion fruit, and it's got like that little bit of like sweetness to it. And that's obviously the Pavlova kind of coming through. It says, double down on your sweet tooth this Christmas. This Quintessential. Passion fruit pavlova has returned. Why do they have to put all these hard words in there? Just tell me what it smells like. Optimizing the heartwarming atmosphere of this much loved Christmas dessert. Passion fruit pavlova fuses top notes of pineapple and cassis with honeyed heart of gardenia and velvety base of vanilla and marshmallow. Jeez. Day 6. We are halfway through, and this one is called Coconut Snowflake. I really like that we have some like really nice kind of Christmassy scents in here, because I feel like sometimes advent calendars are all the stuff that didn't sell throughout the year. But you can tell that these ones have kind of been made for Christmas because they have those Christmassy scents. Oh, that smells so friggin' good. I want to buy the full size of this if they sell it. Coconut Snowflake. Yum! It's not like super coconutty. It's like, you know how there's like summery coconut and there's like sweet coconut? It's a really sweet coconut. Sophisticated yet free-spirited, elegance abounds with coconut snowflake, harnessing a fragrant top note of coconut, tiara, flowers and sweet cream, and a heady base of vanilla, amber and sandalwood. It's this scent's heart of coconut water, lavender, the vanilla and peach that will capture the mood of the perfect Christmas day. Oh, I'm not gonna lie, I feel like I cannot read these things out anymore because I'm just so like, I have so much phlegm in my throat that talking is so hard. Let's just go through the rest of them. Alright, day number 7 is gingerbread. Yeah, that's real good. I love a good gingerbread. So that is day 7 there. Super, super nice. I love that. Okay, day 8 is mistletoe and moss, which is interesting. Cute. I actually really love the packaging of these. Like, I feel like they are actually really nice. That's interesting. What does that one say? Let me read that, the description for that. A pine perfect scent fused with warmth and romance, mistletoe and moss will whisk you away to a calming festive season. With a grounded base of moss, vetiver and musk, a floral heart of honeysuckle, rose and pine, coupled with the sophisticated top notes of lime, bergamot and violet, this fragrance will add a little luxury to the Christmas celebration. It's very subtle, but yeah, it's alright. Really excited for this one because I feel like I'm going to love it. This is vanilla marshmallow. This is day 9. Oh, okay. I don't love it as much as I thought I would. It's quite spicy. I thought it was going to be quite kind of like soft. It's got a bit of spice to it. I do like it. I definitely like it, but I thought I was going to like love it. Down to our last 3 candles. This is blood orange and grapefruit. That one's quite nice. I feel like I could get very sick of it. Like, I get real bad headaches, so that's the only... Sometimes I love the smell of scents, but they're too strong, so I can't actually handle them. And I feel like this could be one of those. Because it actually smells so good, but it's very strong. So that's that one there. Okay, eucalyptus and balsam. I reckon I'm going to hate this, but we'll give it a go. We'll give it a sniff. Actually, don't hate it. It's very subtle. So I could actually quite get behind that. I feel like it smells quite nice. Okay, last day. Thank God, because I'm literally drowning in phlegm. I know that is way too much information, and I'm sorry. Alright, day 12 is White Woods. Oh, that's really, really nice. I actually really, really like that one. That could probably be one of my favourites. Yum, that's really good. I think coconut snowflake, gingerbread, passion fruit pavlova, sunset Bellini, and this one would definitely have to be my favourite. So that is the 2023 advent calendar for Palm Beach. I think some of them smell absolutely incredible. I think this was about, yeah, $99.95. So it's basically $100 for 12 candles, which I'm really not mad about. I think they're quite cute. They all smell really nice. Like I said, I like that they are targeted towards Christmas. Yeah, that brings us to the end of our Advent season. I'm already so excited for next year, and I cannot wait to bring this to you guys again. Please let me know what you have thought of this series if you enjoyed it, and please just remember that a like, comment and a share goes so far. And yeah, if you want to check out any more Advent videos, don't forget to check out my Patreon. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video, and Merry Christmas.